Digital voice recorders have become essential tools for students, professionals, journalists, and everyday note-takers. The best models balance long battery life, reliable voice capture, flexible file formats, and seamless transfer to a computer or mobile device. For this comparison, I tested each unit across a consistent set of criteria. Ease of use.
List number 1. Sony ICD PX370 Mono Digital Voice Recorder with built-in USB. The Sony ICD PX370 is a compact entry to mid-level recorder with 4 GB of built-in storage and a built-in USB connection for straightforward file transfers. It records in MP3 format, promises long battery life via 2 AA cells, and remains a staple in Sony's consumer lineup. This model is best for users who want a simple, clutter-free device for lectures or meetings, with dependable battery performance and a familiar brand ecosystem. Performance-wise, the PX370 emphasizes reliability and plug-and-play simplicity. The 57-hour battery claim, MP3 128 kilobytes per second stereo, aligns with typical classroom or meeting use, though real-world endurance may vary with higher bit rates or noise environments. The built-in USB connection simplifies transfer to a PC without needing cables or drivers, and the device dimensions are pocket-friendly. However, storage is limited to 4 GB, which constrains long sessions unless you're recording at lower bit rates. The 2.5mm headphone jack and reliance on AA batteries means you'll need to stock spares for extended field use.
List number 2. 64 GB digital voice recorder with playback. Voice. EVISTR's L357 offers a 64 GB capacity, Type-C USB, and modern feature set including WAV and MP3 formats, AB playback, and adjustable 7-level gain. It markets itself as a durable 2-button interface device capable of long session recording with voice activation. This makes it a strong all-rounder for students and professionals who want straightforward operation plus flexible file management. Performance-wise, EVISTR emphasizes convenience and clarity. The 360 pickup with a 1536 kbps PCM option and 7 gain levels suggests robust capture in noisy classrooms or busy meeting rooms. The device can store roughly 4,660 hours at 32 kbps and claims 35 hours of playback on a single charge, with fast Type-C charging. The 2-button control can feel limiting for power users who want quick access to more advanced features, but the built-in AB, variable speed playback, and scheduling options are appealing for structured recording sessions. The reliance on a single 500 mAh battery and metal chassis adds to durability, but may impact weight and warmth during long sessions. List number 3. 128 GB digital voice recorder for lectures, meetings. Evidos VR01 model pushes storage to 128 GB with 32 GB internal or per spec 32 GB memory, and offers password protection, multiple recording formats, WAV, MP3, and a 6-level adjustable voice activation. It's positioned as a robust classroom and meeting recorder, with a focus on file organization via a 4-folder storage system, plus USB transfer and password security. Performance-wise, the VR01 targets higher quality capture with a 1536 kbps rate and upgraded noise-canceling microphone. The device supports AB repeat, bookmark functions, and a multi-folder approach to file management, which is valuable for separating interviews, lectures, and personal notes. The password protection adds a privacy edge for sensitive recordings. However, the hardware spec lists 32 GB memory capacity, which seems to contradict 128 GB, suggesting either total capacity or used memory details may be misrepresented in the data. Users should confirm actual usable space and battery life in real-world tests. The device's USB connection is straightforward for file transfer, and the 3.5mm headphone jack is standard for quick monitoring.
List number 4. Digital voice recorder, 16 GB voice recorder. Sunland's 16 GB recorder targets budget-conscious buyers seeking a solid, easy-to-use device with playback, a simple 1-button recording workflow, and basic DSP noise reduction for clearer capture. It doubles as a USB drive and MP3 player, offering a compact footprint with an integrated speaker for immediate playback. Performance-wise, Sunland emphasizes simplicity and immediate utility.
The device can record for over 30 hours and play for about 7 hours, with DSP noise reduction helping to mitigate environmental noise. The 16GB capacity is modest but sufficient for short to moderate sessions, especially when paired with MP3 recording at lower bit rates. The built-in speaker is convenient for note-taking or quick reviews, but monitoring with headphones remains essential for accurate assessment. The non-rechargeable battery setup could be a drawback for frequent travelers who prefer USB-C rechargeable options, though it keeps the price low and maintenance simple.
List number 5. 264GB digital voice recorder. WilcoTalk's premium option packs 264GB of memory, 8GB built-in plus 256GB TF card, and a sophisticated feature set including 1536 kbps HD stereo recording, AI noise cancellation, password protection, and extensive playback controls. It's marketed towards serious professionals and researchers who need massive storage and broadcast-like audio quality in a portable form factor. Performance-wise, this device targets high-end use cases, long conferences, fieldwork, and multi-day events. The 100-plus hour continuous recording claim at 512 kbps and 48 hours of playback shows stamina, while the AI noise cancellation and dual microphone setup implies substantial noise suppression in dynamic environments. The ergonomic dial design and password protection are user-centric touches that enhance usability and security. Potential downsides include the higher price point relative to others in this list, and the possibility that less storage-savvy users may not utilize the entire capacity. Also, given the 264GB capacity, file management could become complex without solid organizational features.